welcome back to Nana Mex Cooking Show. Today we're going to make whipped cream, homemade whipped cream to go on cobbler, but you can put it on absolutely anything. You can put it on fruit salad. It takes all the nutrition out of it. It's fantastic. You can put it on pie, cake, strawberry shortcake. It's wonderful. It's great to know how to make a homemade whipped cream. It's super simple, super simple. So I'm just taking, and you can pretty much do this in any amount. Like if you need more, you can do it more or whatever. But I'm doing 2 cups of whipping cream. Just buy it from the grocery store. 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna put it right in here in my stand mixer. And if you don't have a stand mixer, that is totally fine. You can use a hand mixer on high. Totally fine. We're gonna take about 1.5 cups or so of powdered sugar, not regular granular sugar, but powdered sugar. And you can over sugar this, believe it or not. You want to try not to do too much. So about 1.5 cups of powdered sugar should be plenty. This is one of those recipes that does not have to be exact ingredients. It can be more what you like. It's more of a cooking thing than a baking thing. So I just put the powdered sugar right in there. And the last ingredient is vanilla. So we're going to talk a little bit about vanilla. This is my own vanilla. My parents started vanilla for me way back when I was in college. So this is a vanilla bean, but it's really like a pod because the little teeny tiny beans are in here. And I'm just going to take this, and I don't know if you can see that very well, but I just squeezed it out, and now there's little teeny tiny black dots in there. So that's one way you can measure it out. The other way you can measure it out is to take an actual teaspoon, dip down here, and get some of this actual vanilla extract. Either way you do it is fine. To make your own vanilla, all you gotta have is vanilla beans. You can order them online from Vanilla Bean thing, get them in bulk or whatever. There's about 20 vanilla beans in here. And you get a tall jar that seals, like screws up top. This was an old jelly jar, but you can also get like a mason jar or something like that. Totally easy, right? You put the beans down in there, cut the tip off of like 2 of them, fill it up to the top with vodka, just plain, normal vodka. And then put it in a cool, dry place, just put it up in the cabinet for about 6 months. About every 2 weeks, take it out, shake it up. And over the 6 months, it'll turn into vanilla. You'll have the vanilla extract you can take out with a teaspoon. And like right now, it's getting down a little bit, so I'll fill it back up with a little bit more vodka pretty soon. But that way you always have your own vanilla, and it is a huge difference when you're baking. It is so good. I just love good vanilla. Okay, so I'm gonna put that down. I've stopped preaching about the vanilla. We're gonna put this right here. Woohoo! Lock it down. And start low, because if you start on high, it'll go poof and come everywhere. It's just a disaster. So you wanna start kind of low, get the sugar wet-ish. Turn it up a little bit. You know, we're getting there. And then you're getting it going. And you just let it go. You're just going to let it go. And then you're going to turn it on up to high. And we're going to let it blend for a couple minutes. And you're going to notice it getting fuller and fuller until it's thick and has like little whippy tops. And I'll show you what it looks like in just a minute. It's going to be so good. So I've turned it off, but you can see how it looks different now. It's not liquid. And this is, you can see that it's got like it's thick. It's not going to fall off of the beater thing, the whiskey thing. And if you see those little teeny tiny black dots in there, that's the little vanilla beans in there. That's real good vanilla taste. This is delicious. For recap, this is what homemade whipped cream looks like, and I wish I could share the taste with you because it's absolutely insanely good. It is about 2 cups of whipping cream and about 1.5 cups of powdered sugar and about a teaspoon of vanilla, just whipped on high until it looks like this. And you'd be amazed at how many wonderful things you can put that on throughout the year. And I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for being here with me. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye.